Welcome to the Bass Pecan Company recipe blog. Today we're going to be making pecan crusted chicken. To do that, you're going to need some of our pecan meal from Bass Pecan Company. You can find that on our website or in one of our stores. You're going to need half a cup of our Bass Pecan meal, which are finely ground pieces of pecans, a half a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a half a cup of butter or a stick of butter, a half a cup of milk, a half a cup of our pecan oil, and 4 chicken breasts. Okay, this is a really quick and easy recipe. It should take you about 20-25 minutes at the most to fix it. The first thing I'm going to do is dump in a Ziploc bag my pecan meal, my half a cup of flour, and my teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and zip it tight and shake to mix. Okay, once that is mixed, then I'm going to pour my milk into a shallow dish. We'll just be using this dish to flip the chicken in before we put it in the pecan mixture. While I'm mixing that up, I'm going to be starting on my stove. I have a frying pan on my stove. I'm pouring in a half a cup of the pecan oil, and you've probably never have worked with pecan oil before. Pecan oil is similar in properties to olive oil. It has, though, kind of a nutty flavor to it. And I'm going to turn my stove on medium. It's very good for you, like olive oil is. It is real light, much lighter than olive oil, and has a cleaner taste to it. I think you'll really enjoy working with it. I'm going to put my half a stick of butter into my pan along with half a cup of my pecan oil. Now I'm going to heat it over medium, and while that's heating, I'm going to dredge my chicken in the milk. Okay, we're going to dip our chicken pieces into our milk. And of course, I'm a wimp when it comes to chicken. I buy the chicken from Sam's already cut up, the boneless breast, frozen and deboned, de-skinned, and cut up and ready for me. And the recipe calls for about a 4-ounce piece of chicken, and that's about what you get with one of those bags from Sam's. I'm careful just to touch the chicken and the mixture with one hand, which allows me then to answer the phone or do anything else that I might need to do with the other hand and not have it dirty. Mix it around really good to get all of the creases. Now you can also substitute catfish fillets for your chicken, should you desire, in doing this recipe. I think it would taste absolutely fabulous with the catfish. But if you're not from Mississippi or from the South, you may not be used to our Mississippi catfish. I didn't get it all the way. A little more on there. Okay, this is our last piece. This recipe makes 4 chicken breasts. There we go. Now we're ready to go to our frying pan. Okay, we've heated our half a cup of butter and our half a cup of pecan oil over medium heat in a frying pan. Now I'm going to place my pecan pieces in my pan. Careful to watch to make sure that my pecan pieces don't burn. And we are going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Okay, when the chicken is done, take it out of the skillet and look how beautiful that looks. Be careful not to burn your pecan pieces. They're so tiny, they could easily burn. And there you have an entree ready for a family in a very short amount of time.